Okay, just arrived here at Maserati Burlingame, and a brand new engine replacement. There it is. Looks like this is the old motor. New motor, old motor? Oh, the old motor just came out. Take a look. I was advised that there are some gaskets and hoses that guys are waiting for, but this is just absolutely terrific to see all the good stuff. Again, you can just see all the work going into this brand new motor installation. And again, that's the old motor being removed. Major surgery being performed here at Maserati Burlingame. Some of the parts coming from Italy, so just little minor things though. Those are kind of like minor, they're not major, right?
Yeah, we can really,
Yeah, you don't want to reuse them, definitely. Thanks for not reusing them. But the new bolts that the subframe will attach to the chassis, right?
Yeah, those are all brand new bolts. So they're like this one's right.
Okay.
Those are the one that hold the cross member ready to the chassis. So that's all brand new.
How is the transmission looking just from the outside? Does it look okay?
I mean, yeah, if there's no concern shifter or anything, there's not really, the fluid came up here. So
good.
That's about the only thing that we can see, just the fluid.
Yeah.
And then if there's no shifting concern, then it should be okay.
No, the shifting was perfectly fine. So just some gaskets, some O-rings.
Gaskets, some O-rings, and then bolts that we cannot reuse. So
talking with Gary, the mechanic, looks like, once the motor is put inside, essentially the harness and all the computers are hooked up, they'll clear the codes, and the car itself will start to learn, I guess, and learning the parameters of the car. That information gets sent to Italy, and it takes a little bit of time, which I think is expected when it comes to the computer and electronics, and be able to get my car right back and move forward. The assessment is that the transmission is good. Everything looks good. There were some leaks and minor little things with the existing motor, but it was fortunate that the new motor in that crate basically has all those items, like some of the pumps and so forth. So more to come.